Thank you so much, guys, for visiting my live. Nakakaloka kayo. Why are you crying? Don't cry. I'm still alive. I'm not yet dead. I'm still alive and kicking. Still finding a sugar daddy. Did you hear that, guys? My tummy is complaining. She's hungry already. Can I be your skirt? Can I be? You're sure that can I be? You're sure, daddy. I send you some money. Show me more. Show me more. Show me more. Ify. If you want to see more of me, guys, I have my Patreon. You can join there. Wait, I'm gonna drop the link. If it's still working, but sometimes the link is not working, so you just search Tisha Babe. Don't wanna wake up alone. I have my. Don't wanna wake up alone. So this is the name of my Patreon. If you wanna join there, Tisha Babe 24 in Patreon. The link is appropriate. Do you want my phone number? Why? I don't have time to text or calling. I'm busy. But if you thank you guys, 76 million in the house. I'm hungry now. I'm gonna eat you. Move left. Malcolm X. Hello. Oh my gosh, I got 440 likes. Good morning, sweetheart. Hello, sir. Bro Ricky 2.0. Good morning. I-subscribe mo yung nakapin dyan, boss. Mag-comment ka lang sa video niya. Friend ko yan, taga-ibang bansa. Kunti pa kasi subscribe niya. Kawawa naman. Balikan ka niyan, legit yan. Thank you. Thank you, sir, sa pagbisita sa akin. May paksiw ka pa ba dyan? Pahingi ng paksiw. Gutom na ako. Sarap ng paksiw mo eh. Can I get your phone number? Check my profile down. I have there my email and maybe my phone number. Suresh Santa, hello, good morning. Both your are beautiful. Oh, really? Thank you. I really appreciate it. Yusuf, good morning. Yes, good morning. Thank you so much for visiting my live. Thank you guys so much for the 451 likes. Oh my gosh. Malapit na akong mag 3 hours. 3 hours on live. Samantalahin na natin kasi minsan walang tao for today's video.